Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. We are discussing the second lesson and that is 4 operation. In previous videos you learnt the properties of division and we have solved most of the division examples also. Then in what about today's class? In today's class we are going to divide the number and also we need to verify our answer. Means whatever we have solved that example, whether it is correct or not, that we need to check. So here I took one example from your My Practice Time 4 and that is page number 101, and here the question is E1 36,510 divided by 5. See here they given divisor here 1 digit, there 2 digit, 3 digit divisor also there. So let us go with easy to difficult. Okay, so let us solve this E1th example and write this 36,510 is the dividend. Okay, 36,510 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. I hope you are getting my point. Here you need to if you are going to verify the answer, you need to know these terms also. So what is this? This is dividend, dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend, and this is divisor. Okay, dividend, divisor. So let us find the quotient. Okay, right here 5 ones are table, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. See here, while solving the examples, it's better to write the tables like this. So see here 36,510 is the dividend. Then see here in 5 ones a table, that much big number is not there. Then for that what we need to do? We have to take one digit. So see here first digit is here 3. Then see here in 5 ones a table 3 is there? No. So 3 is not there. For that purpose you need to take this 2 digits. Got it? Then see here, write how much it is? 35. Then check whether in 5 ones a table 36 is there? No. See here, then less than 36 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All are small, smaller than 36. But here nearest small is 35. Got it? 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5 all are small, but nearest small is 35. So I will take here 35. 5 6 is 30. 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 minus 3 is 0. Got it? See here why I took here, sorry, 5 6 is 30, no, 5 7 is 35, 6 minus 5 is 1. See here I took 30, 30 is also small, but nearest small is 35. So you see here less than 36, the nearest smallest number is here 35. So you take here 5 7 is 35, 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, the tables are very important here, so please keep practicing everyday tables. So here 6 minus 1 is over. Next, don't take this 510 directly all together at the down. While taking the digits, no, you take one by one. After 6, which digit is there here? 5. So take here 5. Okay, so here 15, it becomes 15. Then check whether in 5 ones a table the 15 is there. Yes, it is there. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Exact number I got here. So directly write here 5 threes are 15. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next you take this one down. Then check in 5 ones a table 1 is there? No. For that you need to take here 5 zeros are 0. Okay. If any number is multiplied by 0 means its product is 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Next you take this 0 down. Then how much it is? 10. Okay, don't take directly 1 and 1 is there, so don't take directly 0. You put here 0, then you take this 0 down. Okay, so here 5 into 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, and take this 0 down. Next it becomes 10. See, in 5 on the table 10 is there. Yes, here it is there, and that is 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, and 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So here up to here over. Okay, here half step over. So your first question is there, divide the following and verify your answer. So now I divided here number, now I have to verify my answer. So tell me, for this what we are calling? Dividend. For this, divisor, and this quotient, and this is remainder. See here, by multiplying this divisor and quotient, no, if I will get this exact answer, then my whatever I have divided, no, that is correct, means my answer is correct, means our verification is done. If I done here any mistakes, then I will not get a correct answer. So let us do here verification. Okay, so here what I need to find here? Divisor. Okay, dividend, not divisor, dividend. DEVIDEND into what will be the question here? See here, yes, I have to write here divisor. I will write with small handwriting here. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Next here plus remainder. See here, to verify, no, this formula you need to know. Dividend, see here, so dividend how much here? 36,510, that you need to write. Next what is there? See here, divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula you need to keep in your mind. So see here, divisor how much is there? 5. Okay, next quotient how much is there here? 7,302. Okay, put bracket complete, plus how much is there remainder here? 0. Okay, so this is a dividend, divisor, quotient, and this is remainder. Okay, divisor into quotient. So here if you don't know the horizontal multiplication, then you need to do here vertical multiplication. 7302 into 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10. 5 into 0 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. So here see, I got answer 36510 as a answer. So let us write this question here, the answer here. What is that? 36510, and put this plus and add here 0. So 36510 will be the answer. I hope you are getting my point. See here I divided, next I did here verification. If I got the dividend equal, means dividend is equal to dividend, then only our answer is correct. If we did any mistake here, then we will not get here correct answer. Got it? So here my answer is correct. So this formula you need to keep in your mind. Okay, so let us take one more example from your my practice time 4. And again we need to verify our answer. So I will take here one question, and that is F1, 21,634 divided by, yes, 21,634 divided by 4. Okay, again you need to divide here number, again we need to verify our answer. So let us take here 21,634 divided by 4. So write here, this is dividend and this is what? Divisor. Okay. Then if you are writing the quotient here, that is also correct, and if you are writing here upside, that is also correct. Okay. So write here 4 on the table, 4 on the 4, 4 to the 8, next 12, 16, 20, 24, next 32, 36, 40. Yes, 4, 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 12, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 8 the, yes, 32, 4 9 the 36, 4 10 the 40. Here means if you need to get a correct answer, no, it's better to write the tables in one side. So let us solve this example. Here 21,634 is there in this table, that much big number is not there, so I need to take one number. So here 2 is there, then tell me in 4 1 the table 2 is there? No. Okay, so here I need to take 21. So here nearest small, which digits are there? 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. All are small, but nearest small is 20. So take here 4 5s are 20. 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you take this 6 down. So how much it is? 16. Okay, 16 is there. Then see here in 4 on the table 16 is there? Yes. 4 4 za, 4 4 za 16. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again you need to take this 3 down. Then see here in 4 on the table 3 is not there. No, not there here. Then put here 0, 4 zeros are 0, 3 minus 3 is 3 minus 0 is 3. Next you take here 4 down. Okay. Then see here 32 is the smallest number. Then 4 how much is 32? 4 8 is 32. Okay. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Here I got remainder 2 and here quotient 5408 and this is dividend and this is divisor. Okay. So next step we need to do here, that is verification. Verification. Okay. See here, next here one formula you need to keep in your mind, and that is dividend is equal to, that is what? Dividend is equal to quotient divisor. Here I need to write what? Divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient. Quotient plus remainder. If you are writing only R, that is also correct. Then what is there here? Divisor 4. What is there here? Quotient 5408 plus remainder is 2. Okay. If you know this, you arrange here properly. Then multiply this 5408 into 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Next 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So add here 2 1 6 3 2 plus 2. See here, after multiplying I got here nearest value. So add this. After adding I will get 2 1 6 3 4 as a answer. See here, this dividend is equal to that dividend. See here, 21634, 21634. So hence our division is correct. That statement also you need to write here. Hence our division is correct. Division is correct. Got it? So I will give 4 example. I will give my own example because in my practice time 4 no, here divisor is one digit not there, 2 are there, already I have solved. I will give 4 examples and this 2 means total 6. Solve and send it to my personal number, and whichever examples I have solved, no, that also you need to practice. So take here, I will take 6, 8, 3, 6 divided by 2, 5, 8, 9, 6 divided by 5, 4, 4, 8, 5 divided by 4, next 3, 8, 9, 6 divided by 6. Solve this examples and send it to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.